Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm okay, but I need help.
What do you need help with?
I have a project for work.
I can help you with that.
Really? That would be great.
What is the project about?
It's about marketing strategies.
That sounds interesting. I like marketing.
Do you have any experience in it?
Yes, I worked in marketing before.
That's perfect. I need your advice.
I'd love to help you, Lisa.
When can we start working on it?
How about this weekend?
Saturday works for me. What time?
Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Sounds good. Where should we meet?
We can meet at my place.
Great. I'll bring my notes.
Perfect. Do you have a plan?
Yes, I have some ideas already.
That's a good start. Let's discuss them.
I want to focus on social media.
Social media is very important today.
Yes, it can reach many people.
What platforms do you want to use?
I'm thinking about Instagram and Facebook.
Those are great choices.
I need to create engaging content.
I can help you brainstorm ideas.
That would be very helpful.
Let's start with Instagram posts.
What kind of posts should I make?
You could use photos and videos.
I like that idea.
You can also use stories for updates.
Yes. Stories are popular right now.
How often do you want to post?
I want to post 3 times a week.
That's a good frequency.
I need to plan the content.
We can create a content calendar.
That sounds helpful.
Let's write down some ideas together.
I have some topics in mind.
Great. What are they?
I want to share tips and tricks.
That's a good idea. People love tips.
I also want to do giveaways.
Giveaways can attract more followers.
Yes. I need to plan them carefully.
We can create a timeline for everything.
That would make it easier.
Do you have any specific goals?
I want to increase engagement.
That's a smart goal.
I hope to get more comments and likes.
We can track your progress too.
Yes. I want to see improvements.
Let's also discuss Facebook strategies.
Good idea. What should I focus on?
You can share articles and videos.
I like that. It's informative.
You can also engage with your audience.
How can I do that?
Ask questions and reply to comments.
That sounds easy enough.
Yes. It helps build a community.
I want my followers to feel connected.
That's very important for success.
I feel more confident now.
I'm glad. You're doing great.
Thank you for your help, Tom.
Anytime, Lisa. I enjoy helping you.
Can we meet again after this?
Yes. I'd love to help more.
Let's keep working on the project.
Absolutely. We'll make it successful.
I'm excited to see the results.
Me too. Let's put in the effort.
I appreciate your support, Tom.
It's my pleasure. You're a hard worker.
I hope to return the favor someday.
I would appreciate that.
Let's make this project amazing.
Yes. Together, we can do it.
I feel lucky to have your help.
I'm happy to be here for you.
See you on Saturday at 10 a.m.
Looking forward to it. Bye, Lisa.
Bye.
Tom. Thanks again.